Hola, buenos días otra vez. So, la lección de hoy es unidad 2, lección 1, which is again unit 2, lesson 1. We're still in the unit 2, lesson 1. Okay, so what we're going to learn today, we're going to learn about adjetivos demostrativos, los pronombres de los adjetivos demostrativos. That is pretty much when you talk about this right here, dos, that, those, that, and those, all right? So we are going to learn first adjetivos demostrativos, okay? Demonstrative adjective, I'm sorry. Okay, so first you are talking about an object or a thing or a person, okay? You need to look at how close or how far are you from whatever you're describing. Are you close? Are you in the middle? Are you far away? So depend where you are from whatever you're describing, it's going to tell you what kind of adjective demonstrative you're going to use in Spanish, okay? So then we have singular adjective that describe only one thing, and then we have plural adjective that describe more than one thing, all right? And then we have feminine and masculine. Whatever you're describing is feminine, or whatever you're describing if it's masculine. So for example, if I'm talking about this book, the book is very close to me, all right, close to me. In book, how you say book in Spanish? Libro. Is libro feminine or masculine? Libro ends in o, so it's masculine, el libro. So how would you say this book? So you will say, because it's only one, singular, and it's masculine, you will say este libro, okay? Now you're describing the computer, this computer. La computadora is feminine, ends in a, la computadora, and you are close to the computer. How would you say this computer? Esta. Why? Because it's only one computer, singular, and the word is feminine. Now you're not that close, you are in the middle from the book, okay? You are saying that book, you're talking about that book, okay? Libro, it's only one, and it's masculine, but you're not that close, okay? So you will say ese libro. And the same thing with the computadora, computer. You are not that close to the computer, and it's only one, but it's feminine. So you will say esa computadora. Now, when the book is far, far away from you, all right, you will say aquella computadora. It's feminine. Aquella computadora. Libro. Aquel libro. Okay. And then we just talk about one item. Okay. Now we're going to talk about books. Those books, and you are very close to those books. That will be estos. Now we're talking about computadoras, computers, more than one, and you're close, that will be estas. And then the same thing, if you're not that close, that will be esos libros, computadoras, esas computadoras. And if you're far away from the books, and there are more than one books, that will be aquellos libros, and then aquellas computadoras. They don't have accent marks, and every time you use those adjectives, you must mention the object, okay? Like este libro, esta computadora. Computadora is the object. Libro is the object. So you have to mention the object after you say this demonstrative adjective, okay? You must say. Now we're going to talk about demonstrative pronouns, okay? Which is, as you see, look, they're all the same like this one right here. But the only difference is these ones have accent marks. This one does not accent mark. So how are you going to use this one right here? Exactly the same way you use this one right here. But in this case, you don't mention the object because we already know what you're talking about, all right? For example, I'm holding a book. All right, and then I point to the book and I say, this one, it's very hard. So what I'm talking about the book, but you're leaving the word book out, okay? So because you already know what I'm talking about, I say this one and I'm pointing to the book. So you already know that's the book. That's exactly what we do with Spanish. If we know what we're talking about, you